A man walks into a zoo. The only animal in the zoo is a dog. It's a Shih Tzu. You're welcome. So today with the garage build, that's a 6x6 we got in the back. It's a 12-footer. We're going to lift it, or we're going to try to.
Yeah.
See how that goes.
Yeah.
Lift it up into the rafters.
Yeah.
What it's going to be is something to lift your game on. Mm-hmm. Maybe something else at some point.
Yeah.
Like an
engine or something.
But most likely
For game.
probably just for like deer, bear, hopefully a moose.
Yeah.
So we want a nice big one running across a handful of trusses. So that's a 12-footer, 6x6. That should do it. So
that'll be a nice heavy beam.
we want to get it up there now before we start covering things in.
Yeah.
So that's what we're going to try right now.
This should be fun.
Yeah. Let's see how it goes.
Great. That's heavy.
Yeah.
Come out.
Feels like the truck's in the way? Too far?
Too far that way.
Might be.
Lift it.
Very well, maybe. I just wanted to be able to stand on it.
Yeah.
Right? Mm-hmm. Holy shoot.
You and Terry put it in together?
Yeah. That is soggy.
A bit.
Might be better, like, how safely do you think you could back up slowly while I stand there and lift it onto it?
Oh, and you lift it in there?
While you're backing up. Like without,
Running you over?
No, I'm going to stand in the back of the truck. But without jerking the truck.
Oh, yeah. So go forward and then go back?
Yeah.
Try.
You know what I mean? And then I'll lift it like...
Are the keys in there? No, probably not.
I'm going to die.
Probably going to die, yeah.
Either that or this beam's going to run into the wall and knock this wall down.
One or the other.
Like if I get it lined up.
Yeah, I know what you're saying.
Holy smoke, she's soggy. All this pig food in the way. Do you know what I'm saying?
Well, yeah, I'm just going to go forward a little first.
Just a sec.
You're just kicking it like let's.
Yeah. Slow. I better get down. Yeah. Maybe, and then I'll push up on it while you...
Drive backwards?
Well, see if you could press down on it while I pull up right now.
Like
We'll
get not in the truck?
Yeah, just get in the box for a sec. Let's try a couple different things. Because I'm going to try to lift it and lean it forward there. You want to get that? Or I get it, I guess. I think if I can kind of get under here, you know what I mean? And slide it. This is going to be tough. This is going to be hard.
Yeah. Sketchy. Don't fall on me.
Now, can you push forward with it at all? All right, just a sec. Can you push more? All right, that's going to crush my hand. There we go.
More?
Just a sec. I think it might be better if I'm kind of up here.
Right up there? Then grab in it?
Here, maybe if I go under here.
Yeah, maybe.
It's tough because I'm like there's like no in between here.
Uh-huh.
You know what I'm saying?
Tell me what.
Kind of tough to figure out which way to get at it.
Yeah.
safely.
I know, right?
All right, we're on the thing.
Okay. Now I should probably back up a little, do you think, or no?
You mean this way?
The truck? I don't know.
You probably could a little.
Or should we just get
We
it
can
up
push
further?
it as high as we can. Can you push it or no?
Yep.
Touching the tailgate now?
Nope.
There
Now
you
I
are.
think it is.
All right. Now you could probably back it up, I guess.
Scary.
I could go up here.
Yeah.
Might be better up here now. I don't know.
Yeah. Maybe.
You think? Hey.
Maybe that pulley thing now.
Yeah, I don't think that'll work.
Okay, so try going backwards just slowly.
Yeah. I guess so. Just wonder if that ladder's in the way.
I don't think I'll go that far.
Right? Yeah, all right.
Probably won't go that far.
What? Oh, no, don't. Yeah, all right. Go ahead. Just a sec.
Ready?
Yeah. All right. You hit the ladder.
Okay. Now what?
If you had the ladder out of the way. Although, if you could just put it over here, right, so I can go up and down it.
Yeah.
I feel like it,
Think that's good?
I can't tell. Maybe a little more of an angle. I don't know. I can't tell. That's maybe too
There.
high.
That's pretty good. There. Now you want me to come back more?
I don't know. I was thinking of maybe coming down and trying to lift it up.
Yep. Yeah.
Lift it from there. It might
Yeah,
go
both
in.
of us?
It might actually go in.
Yeah. I think it might.
Want to hold this ladder? Just in case. Feels a little sideways.
Yeah, it is kinda. I swear, I do love you.
As soon as we lift, it's probably going to try coming this way. Right?
Yeah, definitely. Because we're
If
not.
we can just get enough
tall
of it
enough.
that way. Right?
Yeah. Okay. That's hard.
Lost the momentum.
Yeah.
You want to
What do you want me to do?
help push? Right here. Get up here, maybe. Here, just a sec. I'll lower it. Just move it out of the way for a sec.
There. Might be.
Oh,
That's scary.
okay. So no sudden movements. Hey,
Yeah. Right through the truck. Falls backwards. Kills me. Put the hole in the truck.
just calm down.
Yeah, I know, right? Oh, dear. Scary.
And I want this thing like at the back.
Yeah, that's great, eh?
Hey.
Oops.
Holy it's hard to move. There.
Much safer.
Good workout.
My husband's the strongest man on earth. Cool to have that up.
Yeah, I was figuring if we keep it near the back here.
Yeah, I thought you were going to come in out 2 feet because you're going to probably have shelving.
I think I might just put it here.
Yeah.
Where am I at there? Can I get it on this?
Yeah.
Or will it come off?
No.
Do you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, you won't.
It's probably a little longer, 12 feet, right? Most things are. Which is a good thing for this. Yeah, it definitely is. Nice. That's pretty good. That'll give us a nice thing.
Yeah.
Right?
It's awesome.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's over 7.
Nice.
Yeah, it's over like 7, so we could just throw the chain falls over here
Yeah.
or something, right?
Yeah.
And just have like a little hole, like a little hatch we can open when we want to use it.
Yeah, yeah.
And then you just close it up when you're not going to use it the rest of the year.
That'd be great.
Right? So you just keep the chains like up here, then open up, set them down or whatever. We'll just build like a little platform for them to sit or something. Or you could just take them off and just have the access hatch there, right?
Yeah.
And then obviously have a separate attic hatch somewhere else. A nice big one because we're going to store some crap up here. Like things that don't matter and can be in the cold and hot, right? That'd be good, man. I'm pretty excited about this.
Love it.
Yeah, we'll throw a few toenails in it. Good. That wasn't that bad.
No, I'm surprised.
Yeah.
I was scared. I thought it'd be really hard. Yeah, like I thought it'd be really hard to get it up there.
Yeah. Yeah, it wasn't that bad.
No. Awesome.